Hey guys, Joe with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel. It has been crazy around here. I haven't put any videos up. I'm sorry. I got stuff edited. I just been working on trying to put it out. But coming soon, Ecoboost simple maintenance before increasing power mods to your Mustang Ecoboost. It is a good idea to replace the purge valve if you have any issues, and the fuel sensor, low pressure fuel sensor on that side. So these are two common issues with the Ecoboost Mustang that should be taken care of. There's actually TSB up for the purge valve, and yeah. So if you have any P1450C, P1444C issues on your Mustang, or anything with, this can prevent it from going into boost or leaning out. So good idea is to replace these. Videos on these coming soon.